want healthier hair, glowing skin, without breaking the bank? In today's video, I'm going to share with you some game-changing beauty hacks and tips that are affordable, simple, yet highly effective. Whether you're on a budget or looking for ways to elevate your self-care routine, this video is for you. So let the quiz begin. Beauty doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. A healthy lifestyle and a simple skincare routine can do wonders. But sometimes you can also get creative and multitask with the same product. Today I'll take you through 7 different practical beauty tips that can make a huge difference in your skincare, makeup, and overall self-care routine. Number 1. Coconut oil as hair mask. While putting oil on your scalp can be problematic, it can do wonders when applied to the ends of your hair. Coconut oil is especially helpful for sealing damaged ends of the hair strands. Apply a few drops of coconut oil to the ends of your hair 30 minutes before showering. It will condition the hair and protect it from damage during wash, and you'll end up with beautiful, shiny, tangle-free after-shower hair. This coconut oil from OGX is one of my favorites. Hack number 2. Perfect your makeup without brushes. Brushes can be helpful for a flawless makeup, but are they a must? If you follow the tips that I'm going to show you, it won't be. Take your foundation on your hand like this, then rub both palms like this, and then use your hands this way to gently dab the foundation all over your face. You will be shocked to find out how flawless it makes you look. Hack number 3. Vaseline to soften cuticles. Struggling with dry, rough cuticles? Vaseline is a simple yet effective solution. This can save you money from buying expensive cuticle oils. Apply a tiny amount of Vaseline to your cuticles before bed and let it work its magic overnight. Vaseline locks in moisture, softens the skin, and helps prevent hangnails, making your hands look well-groomed. One pro tip: pair it with cotton gloves overnight for extra hydration and smoother result. Hack number 4. Slugging with Vaseline for dry skin. If you have dry, flaky skin, slugging might just save your skin this winter. After washing your face, seal it in with a thin layer of Vaseline. This traps hydration in your skin, leaving it soft and plump. One pro tip: if you're acne prone, don't layer any other product underneath the Vaseline to avoid clogging your pores. Number 5. Double cleansing for radiant skin. Cleansing is key to healthy skin, but that doesn't mean that you have to cleanse twice a day. In fact, if you have dry skin like mine, then skipping cleanser in the morning may not just save you money, but also your skin. However, cleansing your face with just face wash may not be enough if you're wearing sunscreen or makeup daily. So start with the oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and sunscreen, and follow up with a water-based cleanser to clean dirt and bacteria. And these are some of my favorite oil and water-based cleansers. Hack number 6. Multitask with your product. Save your money and time by using your skincare products for multiple purposes. Use glycolic acid toner on your scalp to get rid of dandruff and buildups. Use glycolic acid on your legs to get rid of strawberry skin, aka keratosis pilaris. Apply clay masks to your arms and legs for silky smooth skin. Apply your hydrating facial product like hydrating serum on your hands too. One pro tip: I always use hydrating toners and serums to my face with my hands and then just rub the excess amount on my hands like this. Hack number 7. The power of cool spoons for puffy eyes. Woke up with puffy eyes? A simple spoon can do wonders. Chill a metal spoon in the fridge overnight. Place it on your under eye area or any puffy spots in the morning. The cooled metal helps drain excess fluid and reduce swelling. I'm done with my 7 beauty hacks, but I have one more to give it to you. And the last hack is silk pillowcases for better skin and hair. Switching to a silk pillowcase can be a game changer for your skin and hair. The reason is that silk reduces friction, which prevents hair breakage and skin irritation. It also absorbs less moisture, keeping your skin and hair hydrated. One pro tip: wash your pillowcases frequently to avoid bacteria buildup. Oh, I have another one. That is shaving with conditioner. Yes, your hair conditioner. Don't have expensive shaving creams? Then just use your conditioner instead. It's packed with emollients and silicons that leaves your skin silky smooth, reduces cuts and irritation. Beauty is not about spending a fortune. It's about being resourceful and knowing what works for you. These hacks are proof that you can look and feel your best while being on a budget. Let me know in the comments which hacks you're excited to try. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is Sarah Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.